Hello students, how are you? Yes, I am also fine. Welcome to online maths class students. Welcome to online maths class. Okay students, what did we learn in last class? Students, what did we learn in last class? Symmetry, simple shapes. Okay, today we learn about symmetry letters. Okay, what are the letters? You know the alphabets. So what is this name of the letter? What is this letter? A. This letter? B. And this letter? L. Okay. So see some examples. So this letter P and this one T. So this is J. Okay, and this one is Z. Okay ma. So today we are going to discuss about symmetry letters. So symmetry letters. Okay, so listen. So welcome to online maths class my dear students. So what is symmetry? Students, you already know symmetry. Okay. So something is symmetrical when it is the same on both sides. Same on both sides. Okay. See some example. Okay. So what is the first shape? So this is heart. Okay. So second one butterfly. So third one square. Okay. So something is symmetrical when it is the same on both sides. Okay. See the heart shape. So same on both sides. Okay. A shape has symmetry if a central dividing line. So this line is central line. So for example, so this is one butterfly. Okay. So center dividing line. So this is the dividing line. Okay. Okay, ma. So dividing line can be drawn on it to show the both sides of the shape are exactly same. Okay, both sides exactly same. So what is this? So this is symmetry. Okay, symmetrical or symmetry. Okay, something is symmetrical when it is the same on both sides. Same on both sides. A shape has symmetry if a central dividing line. So this is the dividing line. Okay, same on both sides. Right side and left side are equal. Okay, so it is also mirror line or mirror image. Okay, can be drawn on it to show that both sides of the shape are exactly same. Okay, ma. So see the next slide. So, what are the four types of symmetry? You already know. So, what are the four types of symmetry? So, the four main types of symmetries are translation, rotation, reflection and gilt reflection. So, what are the? Once again, translation, rotation, reflection and gilt reflection. So, these are the four main types of this symmetry. Okay, ma? So, next one. So today topic. So what is the today topic? Symmetry letters. Okay. So what is the today topic? Symmetry letters. Okay. So the rest of the letters A, B, C, D and E all have only one line of symmetry. Okay, only one line of symmetry. So what are the letters? A, B, C and D, E. Okay, see the board ma. Okay student, see the board carefully. So one line of symmetry. So what are the letters? One line of symmetry. What is the letters? So the letters are A, B, C, D and E. So these are the one line of symmetry. Okay. So notice that the A has a vertical line of symmetry. Okay. A has a vertical line of symmetry. Okay. I draw A letter vertical. So you already know vertical, horizontal line, vertical line, slant line. Okay. First we recall. Okay students, you take a page number 76. Students, take a page number 76. Take a page number 76. Okay. So first we recall the lines, types of lines. Okay. So horizontal line. So what is the horizontal line? So this is horizontal line. Okay. So this line is horizontal line and this one is vertical line. Okay. And this line is slant line. Okay. So this one is curved lines. Okay. Curved lines. So first one is horizontal. Horizontal line. Okay. Second one, vertical. Vertical line. Okay, ma. So third one, slant line. Okay. Slant. Slant line. So last one, curved line. Curved. Curved line. Okay, so what are the four types of lines? So first one is horizontal line, second one vertical line, and third one slant line, and fourth one curved line. So these are the four types of lines. Okay, so now the topic is symmetry letters. So these are the one line of symmetry. Okay, now we go to write a letter of A. Okay, so A has a vertical line of symmetry. Okay, so vertical means this type of line. Okay, so I draw one vertical line. A. Okay, so this is the one line of symmetry, a vertical line. Okay, you see the vertical line. So while B, C, D and E have a horizontal line. So these are the horizontal lines. For example, B. Okay, C. Okay, ma. See the board carefully. So we have a horizontal line. So this line is horizontal line. See that? So this is. So see some example. So I have one ruler. So this type of line is a horizontal line. Okay, and this one vertical, and this slant line. Okay, so same. So vertical line, horizontal line, slant line, and curved lines. Okay, ma. So B. So see the picture. Why? The B, C, D and E have horizontal line of symmetry. Okay, see the board carefully. Listen, ma. So this one is horizontal line. Okay, and C also have a horizontal line. Okay. So next one. So J, K, L, N and P have zero line of symmetry. Okay. So first, okay. Once again recall. So one line of symmetry letters are A, B, C, D and E. So what are the letters? A, B, C, D, E. So these letters are one line of symmetry. Okay. So next one. Next one. 0, Okay, next one, zero lines of symmetry. Zero lines of symmetry. So what are the letters? So the letters are J, K, L, N and P. Okay, so what is the letters? So J, K, L, N, P. J, K, L, N, P have zero lines of symmetry. Okay, so M has one line of symmetry and H, I and O have two line of symmetry. Okay, so two lines of symmetry. Two lines of symmetry. Okay, so what are the letters? So H, I and O. Okay, ma? So these are the letters, two lines of symmetry. Okay, once again we recall. So the rest of the letters A, B, C, D and E all have only one line of symmetry. Okay, and A has a vertical line of symmetry while the B, C, D and E have a horizontal line of symmetry. Okay, ma? So next one, J, K, L, N and P have zero lines of symmetry. Okay, so next one, M has one line of symmetry. Okay, ma? So next, and H, I and O have two lines of symmetry. Okay, see the next slide. So, what letters are symmetrical? The capital letters A, M, T, U, V, W and Y are vertically symmetrical. So, the capital letters B, C, D, E and K are the horizontally symmetrical. Okay, the capital letters H, I and X are both horizontally and vertically symmetrical. Okay, ma? And the letters O is infinitely symmetrical. Okay, see the next slide. Okay, see some example. Vertical and horizontal lines of symmetry. Okay, so already you know the vertical and horizontal line. Okay, so first letter A. Okay, ma. First letter A. So second one B. Second letter B. Okay. So first one vertically symmetry. Vertical. Okay. So take a ruler. Using a pencil. So we divide into a line. So this is the vertically. So what is the letter? So what is the symmetric mark? Vertically. See the board mark. This one is vertically symmetric. Okay, letter B. So you take a ruler, use the sharpened pencil. Okay, you divide in a B. Okay, so this line horizontally. Okay, ma? Okay, so carefully. So a letter of A vertically symmetry and letter B horizontally symmetry. Okay, so on letter O vertical and horizontally symmetric. Okay, see the next slide. So see the slide mark. So letter A vertical line symmetry. Letter A vertical line symmetry. Letter D horizontal line symmetry. Letter D horizontal line symmetry. and letter H both horizontal and vertical line of symmetry. Okay, see the board. You already know letter A and D. So now I write a H. Okay, so the letter of H. Okay, so I divide symmetry using a ruler. Take a pencil. Okay, so this letter both horizontal and both horizontal and vertical line symmetry. So listen carefully. So the letter H, okay, both horizontal and vertical line symmetry. See the board. Okay, so the letter H. So divide the line. Okay, so this is a symmetric line. Okay, so both horizontal and vertical line symmetry. Okay, ma. So next. So students, you take a page number. So students, please take a math book. So you take a page number 88. Take a page number 88. Symmetry letters. Tell whether the dotted line on each letter object a line of symmetry right yes or no. Okay. Students, you take a maths book. Take a page number 88. Take a page number 88. Okay. Worksheet number 13. Worksheet number 13. So first letter C and second letter B. Okay, ma? So third letter M and last letter X. Okay, see the board. Listen. Okay, so what is the question? Tell whether the dotted line on each letter. Okay, already the dotted line have. Okay, listen. So take a ruler. Okay, students listen. So tell whether dotted line on each letter or object represents a line of symmetry trial. Okay, so this is the correct line of symmetry. Yes or no only. Okay, so first one is vertical line. Okay, C is the vertical line of symmetry. Is it right or wrong? Students, you tell the answer. So first one is vertical. Is the correct answer or wrong answer, ma? So first one is wrong answer. So you write no. Okay? No. So second one B. Second one the letter of B. Okay? So the dotted line, horizontal line. So this line is horizontal symmetry. So this is the correct answer. So you write yes. Okay? So third one also horizontal line. So this is wrong. So write a no. Okay. And fourth one, yes, is a vertical line. It's a correct answer. So line of symmetry. So yes. Okay. So first one, no. Second one, B. Yes. So it's a horizontal line, horizontal symmetry. So third one also horizontal symmetry is the wrong answer. So no. So fourth one, yes. So it's a vertical line. Okay, students, write fast. Okay, students. So next one. Okay, students, you take a page number 88. Take a page number 88. So draw and write the number of lines of symmetry for the letters given below. Okay, draw. What is the question? Draw and write the number and write the number line of symmetry. Okay, we find out line of symmetry. Line of symmetry for the letters given below. Okay, so what is the first letter? So first letter W. Okay, so second letter. So first letter W. So second letter T. Second letter T. And third letter H. Third letter H. And fourth letter A. Okay, students, listen carefully. So question. So what is the question, ma? Draw and write the numbers of lines of symmetry for the letters given below. Okay, so what is the first letter? W. Okay, now we try the sum. Okay, so what is the first one? The letter of W. Okay, I draw one vertical line. Okay, so first one. So the answer is one line of symmetry. So you write the number one only. Okay, students write fast. Okay, second one, the letter T. The letter T. Okay, so this also vertical symmetry. Okay, so this is one line of symmetry. So this also one line of symmetry. Okay, ma? So next one, H. So what is the next letter? H. Okay. So the H, one horizontal symmetry and one vertical line of symmetry. Okay. So the H have two lines of symmetry. So write the two. Write fast. Two. Okay, so the last letter K. So what is the last letter? K. Okay, so this line is a horizontal line. So one line of symmetry. Okay, ma? So listen. So first one W, one line of symmetry. Second letter T. So it's a one line of symmetry. And height, two lines of symmetry. And K, one line of symmetry. Okay? You understand, ma? Okay. So once again, W, one line of symmetry. W, one line of symmetry. T, one line of symmetry. And H, two lines of symmetry. And K, one line of symmetry. Okay. You understand, students? Okay, ma. See the next slide. Okay. What did we learn in today's topic? So today we are going to learn symmetric letters. So what are the main topic? The letters A, B, C, D and E all have only one line of symmetry. Okay, only one line of symmetry. Letters are A, B, C and D, E. Okay, so next the A has a vertical line of symmetry. A has a a vertical line of symmetry, while B, C, D and E have a horizontal line of symmetry. Okay, so J, K, L, N and P have zero lines of symmetry. Okay, ma? So last one, M has one line of symmetry and H, I and 0 have two lines of symmetry. Okay. Okay, students. Today topic is very interesting. Okay. Thank you so much, students. So today homework worksheet number 13. So what is today homework? Worksheet number 13. Do this worksheet. Okay. Thank you, students. Take care. Bye. So today topic symmetric letters. The homework worksheet number 13. Worksheet number 13. Thank you.